Hey, good afternoon. We are on our way to a friend's house who asked us to come help them install some tires and rims that they just had delivered for their GMC Sierra Denali. It's 2021, and they just wanted some new rims and tires for it. So we're on our way over there to help them put them on. These are the new wheels he got from Custom Offsets, and this is the ones that he's got on there now. So it's gonna be a little different of a look when we get them changed. It's gonna look good. It's a good looking truck already. Look at that. So this is what it comes with stock. It's a LT275 65R20. It's a Goodyear Wrangler, just a basic stock tire. And so let's go check out the ones they're putting on now. So this is about a 3/4 offset, and this is what it looks sticking out like that. This is because this is a 2021. There isn't a lot of information about this this wheel swap. So these are just going for it and see what it looks like. So as you could tell, that's how much it sticks out based on. This is the before. That's a stock tire, stock wheels, and then here is the, ooh, look at that. And this is the new tire. Uh-oh. Yikes.
Oh yeah.
That is a little too close. Ooh.
Touch them on the front.
It touched that your plastic bottom too. So it looks like because it's touching in the front and in the back when he turns the steering wheel, he's gonna have to put at least a 2-inch lift kit on it. There's a torsion bar adjustment which he can use to raise it just about 1 inch, but the suspension will be so tight it'll be uncomfortable. So he'll just have to go ahead and put a lift on this truck to make these tires work, make these wheels work. All right, there we go. New wheels are on. So we'll see when he gets the lift how it looked then. Until then, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great night. Bye-bye.